Sixth HTML5 tutorial. Today we are doing more glamification, and we're gonna make our things a little cooler. So going from where we left off in tutorial 5, we got our individual lich. What we're going to do today is we're not gonna do liches, but I'm gonna do something else. Undead. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna do say batteries. I don't know, just some batteries. Let's see, title. We need a title. Actually, that's my title tag. I've got rid of the head and body tags because Jay's fiddle is driving me mad with those things I can't see properly. So let's just type of batteries. And we're going to learn some new tricks today. Batteries. Is that correct? Batteries. I have to spell this properly. I don't want to get it bad influence. Batteries. That is no batteries. I've spelled it incorrectly. Great. Okay, batteries. Body. What are we gonna have in the body? We're gonna have some stuff in the body. We're gonna start with an H1. Actually, we're going to add a tag to the body. What we're going to do is we're going to add a tag into the entire body, changing the entire body font. We're going to add a style equals, what are we going to make our style? We want to add a font family Verdana and semicolon. We also want font size 13px, not pt. I need to get used to this. So we've got that. Now, if we do this, if we apply something to the body, it affects the entire thing. Watch. I'll put an H1 here. Say batteries. Watch. Bye bye liches. We don't need you anymore. Batteries. Now the headers are unaffected by font size. They're completely unaffected by font size no matter what you do. Unless you actually change their font size inside there. So everything that we type will be in Verdana. And then if it's a list, a table, a div, or a span, which we'll get into later, everything will be in that font. And I personally like that font a bit better. Okay, batteries. Batteries store electricity in a no, that's chemistry. In a small capsule that is easily portable. Batteries use a direct current to use electricity. Run this and we see it should be in 13 pixel right now. Now this is beginning to get a bit more nice. But I don't like my title. There's a problem with my title. I don't like it on the left lines. I want it in the center. Have we got a way to do that? Yep, it's in a header style. We're going to introduce a new style tag. What is it? It is. We're not going to affect the font size. We're going to just affect the text. That's text. No, that's text. Text align. It should be colon. What's the text align center? If we run this, our thing should be in the center, which it is very nicely in the center, which I'm happy with. Batteries store electricity in a small capsule that's easily portable. Batteries stored using direct current to store electricity. The current stays at a relatively steady level. I've spelled that wrong. Reasonably steady level. Okay. This is very nice and all, but I say we're going to do some more glamming up. Right. We're going to add an ordered list here. And we're going to start by adding list items so I can name brands of batteries. Here, and we need another paragraph tag here as well. I'm going to show you something really cool soon. And we're also going to show you that any style of attributes on the body also affects the anything in the body. So, paragraph. This is going to be nice. Here is a list of the main battery companies. Okay, we're going to need 3 list items, it looks like. Yep, we're definitely going to need 3 list items, possibly more. Okay, list item number 1. Energizer. Oh no, I'm going to need 4. Panasonic. Then we're also going to need Eveready. Is that how you spell it? Eveready, that's correct. Those are batteries. Eveready, and then what's another brand? Duracell. And let's see what we've been doing. Let's see if it affects the list. It affects the list. It also gets the bullet points from the font, Verdana. There's actually a list. I can get you a list. I'll get you a list in the description of all the different fonts that you can use in HTML. CSS will allow us to import our own fonts, which will be even more fun. But let's see. We need to close our unordered list because otherwise it won't be valid. Thank you. Close unordered list. And now, okay. So I see we're gonna do some cool things. Right after we put an image of batteries. Not batteries not included. Oh, yes. Big, nice mix. Why did I get Duracell and Energizer? Interesting. Very interesting. Batteries not included. Okay, gonna copy the image location. And we're gonna edit up fiddle. And we're also gonna add image. Self-closing tag. And inside here, we're gonna get the source. And I'll explain more about self-closing tags in the next tutorial where I actually get into them a bit more. src is going to be equal to... Taking a while. Whoa! Okay, I'm pretty convinced that is not correct. Okay, that is the correct link somehow. I have no idea how that can be the correct link, but I guess we'll live with it. It's a big bunch of HTML code. Okay, fine. You've got to me. I'm gonna show you my new method of something awesome. And we're gonna do something awesome. You've been waiting for it. It's a body attribute. Yep. And it should go on the there, silly. It's a body attribute. And it is background color. Pretty sure it's that. And it's gonna be red. And it can look very red. And this should work. Background color red. I like this. This is what I was going to show you. Okay, this is very, very nice. But I don't like red. I don't think it goes. I think I might like I might just like blue. Okay, it doesn't like light blue. Oh well, I'll have to move over it. I wonder if it likes. Also, I wonder if it accepts RGB code. Doesn't accept that either. Okay, we'll just settle off one nice orange. Actually, I'm in the mood for brown. I don't know why I'm in the mood for brown. You notice most of the stuff is an American spelling. C-O-O-R. Don't get it confused with UK spelling. In HTML, it does make a difference. Is this brown? It doesn't look brown. It looks like a really brown. Oh, that'll do. Okay, batteries. Batteries store electricity in small capsule, meaning that it's easily portable. Batteries use direct currents to use electricity, meaning the current says the reasonably steady level. Here are listed the main battery companies: Energizer, Panasonic, Eveready, Duracell. Very, very nice. Main. But I said we're gonna do a bit more things. We're gonna add bolding. I think my batteries should be bolded. A bolded header. We just add. We actually use strong tags, but this is not HTML4. And the strong tags are basically bold anything you put in them. It can be inside a p tag, by the way. Okay, it's already bolded. Great. Right, we don't want to put it there. Where? What? Oh, great. Right. Use a direct. I'm gonna bold this part. Where you can just surround some strong tags. And then end our strong. It's basically another word for bold. That's why it used to be B for bold. Normally you might use B for something else now. Yep, bolded. And one last thing, EM for emphasis. Emphasis. What are we gonna? What are we gonna call it? Emphasis tag? No, it isn't emphasis. No, emphasis tag. It's EM. EM for emphasis. Gosh, I'm saying that with emphasis. Oh, dear. Okay, and you know how to do this tag. EM, close it, open and close that tag. Let's run. Okay. Batteries. Batteries store electricity in a small capsule that is easily portable. Batteries use a direct current to use electricity, meaning the current battery stays at a reasonably steady level. Here are listed the main battery companies: Energizer, Panasonic, Eveready, and Duracell. And then we have a picture of batteries. Most of these batteries are Duracell. Toshiba, Energizer, Eveready, Panasonic. Okay, it's time to recap. Let's begin. The body of HTML can also have attributes. These attributes can be like a font, which affects the entire document, and font size, font color, and background color. Background color changes to background, which is, I'm sure not backgrounds actually. Text elements can also have another property: start text alignment. This can be center, left, or right. Yeah. The strong tags are used to make something bold, and the EM tags are used for emphasis, italics. And finally, actually, there's no finally, I've already covered everything. Oh, finally, try and avoid images that have, HTML, links that long. It's huge, seriously, it's huge. I don't even know how my computer copy that. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but for now, this is Rad Tutorials, signing off.